Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got some good news and I got some bad news. It's not bad news, it's just something I got to do. Good news first though. Come over here, take a look. I have some bell peppers coming on. So I have two down here that are looking fairly well. And then back up in here, I have another one. And then another baby starting right here. So just that one. The jalapenos over there are doing well. These are flowering, but I don't have anything else on them. And I don't have anything on this one. Don't know why. So the other thing I wanted to show you is I'm having the same problem that my friend Todd posted the other day. And it's with these heathen birds. So these guys are getting in here and getting my ripe tomatoes. There's one here. There's another one up here. I'll drop a picture in right here. You can see these were the other day. They got in here. So I need to put up some bird netting and protect this area. Also, I wanted to do a follow-up on the two tomatoes that I pruned up for you guys. This one, we had a windstorm. We had a pretty good wind the other day. This one broke. Yeah, it broke off. It wasn't doing anything. Anyway, this top part bent over. I should have had it supported better, but it's not doing anything, so it's coming out. And then this one over here that I pruned up, it's not really doing anything either. It's got some really light. It's not doing anything. I was trying to make a couple sets here on the top. It's not doing anything, so it's coming out. Sayonara. Either, I need the space for something else. Actually, I have something else that's going to go in there. So I will pull those out. And I started here just a couple weeks ago or whatever. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. Started some more cucumbers. So they'll go in their place over there. About to get dark on me, so I thought I'd better close this out right quick. I did get the shade cloth on the top, and it looks a little darker than the stuff that I had up there. So hopefully it's not too thick. We'll see. Find out tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, so I can see what it looks like with full sun. I did get most of the areas covered with the bird netting, but I had to order another piece. I got another piece coming. This side here is pretty good. I got it all along the back and along over on that corner, over in that area over there. I do have a gap right here, and that is the only gap actually. So I'll just have to keep an eye out and make sure a bird doesn't get in there tomorrow or something. If he does, I'll just roll up the side and shoo him out, but I don't think they will. I just couldn't find that other piece, so I ordered some more. But it won't be here for a couple days. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. That would be right here. Comment, share, all the good stuff. I really appreciate you guys a lot. See ya.